Kira, what's a cat's favorite color?
Purple.
What do you call a pile of cats? A meowton.
Stop. What did the bartender say to the steak when he walked into the bar? How did you do that?
What do cats call a nice dinner? A fancy feast.
What did the bartender say after the snake walked into the bar? How did he do that?
What's a cat's favorite day of the week? Catterday.
Winston, what do you call an alligator in a crime scene? An investigator.